What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to add Marvel Rivals to Nvidia app. So, you might be wondering how to exactly do so. Well, first thing that you want to do here is we want to know where the Marvel Rivals launcher is currently at. So you want to go open up whatever app you install Marvel Rivals. In my case, I installed it via Steam. So let's go to our library here, and you want to go ahead and locate Marvel Rivals here. Right click on it, and you want to go ahead and click on properties. Now under properties, you want to go to general, and in this case, no, by the way, we want to go to install files instead. And from here, you want to go ahead and click on the browse option. Let's see here, and it should redirect you to the Marvel Rivals folder. Now, what you need to do here, just make sure that you have your launcher here. And from here, just copy the location at the very top here. Once you've done that, you can go and close this one, and close theme app. And from here on, open the Nvidia app. Now, in the Nvidia app, you want to go ahead and go to your homepage here, go to library, click on see all, and at the top left here, you have your programs. So click on the three-dotted option here, and you have the add a program option. Now, by the way, Nvidia app should automatically add this into your Nvidia app, but just in case it doesn't add it into your section or in your Nvidia app here, you could go ahead and do this. So go ahead and just click on add a program, and from here, go to the very top, paste the location that we just copied, and just look for the Marvel Rivals launcher and click on open to add this into the Nvidia app. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.